start recording, and we'll see what happens. Emily, do you think you could tell a story?
I reckon I could. So, back in the days of the grandfathers. This is a story about a big bad wolf, a big bad Maingun. Chi Maji Maingun. Chi Maji Maingun is a big bad wolf. And then there were these 3 little pigs. There were 3 pigs. And this way, Gukushog. Gukushog, pigs. A Gukush is a pig. Gukush. Anyway, so there's this big bad wolf and these 3 pigs, right? And one of the pigs, he built his house out of straw. He was like, I'm going to build a house out of straw. That seems like a reasonable thing to do. And the next pig, he goes, well, no, I'm going to build my house. I want to build my house out of sticks.
No.
Going to make me a little shack of sticks. That'll be my house. Well, that third pig, that third Gukush, he was all like, nah, I'm going to build my house out of bricks. My house is going to be big and strong, brick house. Well, what happens? Day come when the big bad wolf, the big bad Maingun, he comes up to that first little pig's house, and he's all like, hey, little pig, let me in. Little pig goes, not by the hair of my chin. Well, Maingun, he go, well, then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. So he huffed and he puffed, and he blew that house right over. Little piggy go running to his neighbors in a stick house, and he goes in there and he goes, look, you gotta help me, the big bad wolf after me.
Big bad
So
wolf.
the big bad wolf come by, and he's all like, hey, little pigs, let me in. And the pigs go, not by the hair of our chins. You can't come in here. You must be crazy. You think I'm going to let you in here? And he goes, well, then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house right in. So he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew that house right in. Them sticks, they couldn't even stay together. It was the big bad wolf, he blew it right down. Well, they go running over to their brother in the brick house. And he lets them in there. You gotta help us. The big bad wolf is blowing down our houses. And their brother in the brick house goes, well, what'd you think was gonna happen? That's why I told you should have built your house out of brick.
Oh, wow.
That big bad wolf, he come by, he knocks on the door. And he goes, hey, little pig, let me in. And they go, not by the hair of my chin. Well, he goes, then I huff, and I'll puff, and I'm blow this house right in. So he huffed, and he puffed. Then he tried to blow that house in. But you know, it's made out of brick. You can't just blow a house down like that. Quite frankly, I don't think you could blow a house of straw down that way.
Yeah.
But, so then he goes, well, I guess I'll leave you pigs alone. And he left. And he went into the woods. And he met a girl named Little Red Riding Hood. But that's another story. This has been the story of the 3 little pigs and a big bad wolf. A story I never really understood. What was the point? What's the moral of that story? I guess build out of brick. Don't trust wolves. I don't really know. But there you have it. That's your morning story.
Oh,
back to you, NANABOOZHOO.
Well, thank you so much, Emily. I've never understood that story myself. You got any idea?
Oh, I have no idea.
Don't trust wolves.
Yeah.
Anyway, how you guys doing this morning?
BOOZHOO!
Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. And today, let's start off our show with a song. Here's a really great song. Miigwech ga bizin dawi egg. Thank you for listening.
It doesn't hurt me. Do you wanna feel how it feels? Do you wanna know that it doesn't hurt me? Do you wanna hear about the deal I'm making? It's you and me. If only could I make a deal with God, and I'd get up to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. You don't wanna hurt me, but see how deep the bullet lies. Unaware I'm tearing you asunder. There is thunder in our hearts. Is there so much hate for the ones we love? Tell me we both matter, don't we? You. It's you and me. It's you and me, and we won't be unhappy. And if only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I'd get up to swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if only could. It's you and me, and we won't be unhappy. You and me. Come on, baby. Come on, darling. Let me steal this moment from you now. Come on, angel. Come on, darling. Let's exchange the experience. Swap our places and running up that road, be running up that hill, that building. Say if only could. If only could, with no problem.
I just thought I'd start the show up here in the spaceship. Talk about the Earth a little bit. Maybe talk about the stars. On a goog. The stars. We don't really have a word for outer space in Ojibwe. Gijig means the sky. It's also the word for the heavens, kind of, or the day. Gijig good is morning. Gijig would be day. So, but some people say the stars on a goog are our ancestors looking at us. Some people say they're angels. Some people say there are holes in the firmament. Nobody knows. One thing I know is if you don't want to see stars and have the bed spins, some people think we live on a spinning ball, but that's because they drank too much and now they got the bed spins. I don't drink anymore. I gave up the drink. But sometimes I like to say the Serenity Prayer. Maybe for today, I'll go down to old Mama Aki, put out some tobacco, and say the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe. Yeah. Maybe I'll do that. Should I call Natasha first? Or should I just go? Hey, I'm going to give that old Natasha a call. Computer, boop, boop, boop. Please call Natasha. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. What are you doing? I'm up in a spaceship again. Oh, you're kidding me. Nope. I'm thinking about teleporting down back to Earth and saying the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe. Oh, that's a great idea. All right. When I get done there, though, I'll call you up to pick me up. I can teleport myself from the spaceship, but when I'm done putting out my tobacco, can you pick me up with the teleporter? Yeah, sure. All right. Okay, roger that. Over and out. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Oh, yeah. Gigawabamin, Minawa, sweetie. I'll see you again. Nah. Boop, boop, boop. All right, let me just get my coordinates here. Oh, let's see. Let's land down right about here. Okay. I'm going to teleport down to Mama Aki, Earth. Spaceship, can you just land yourself? Boop, boop, boop. Beg your pardon? Boop, 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 boop. I don't understand computer. All right. This is one teleporting myself down, and I'll make it so, like so. Oh, it's really pretty out here. Zeben River. Anyway, I just thought I would put out some tobacco. When I pray, I always put out a little pinch of tobacco for the Creator. And then I'll say the Serenity Prayer, Bungan Anima E, in Ojibwe. So first of all, I'm going to say, Gitche Manadu, Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Udapanan Niwi Asema. Udapanan Niwi Asema. Oh, in fact, watch this. Yeah? This is the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe. Gitche Manadu. Teka we tuka wishin. We ni. Jinana Godabundaman. Geodapanaman. Inu. Gigashki Katusiwan. Ji Anji Saduyan. Jide Apachide Ayan. Ji Anji Saduyan. Gigashki Katuyan. Jide Apachi Nabuakayan. Chikendaman Ono. Apeyenge. Amen. Great Spirit, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. The Serenity Prayer in OJIBWE Moan. Anyway, I suppose I should get back. Boop da boop. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. You ready to come home? Yeah, can you pick me up? I put on my tobacco and I said the Serenity Prayer in OJIBWE. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, hang on. I'm going to scan for your coordinates. All right. That's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Nah. Ta-da! There he is. Hey, sweetie. How was it in outer space? Oh, just beautiful. Very clear. It was a clear, starry night in outer space. I also went to, I put out some tobacco and said the Serenity Prayer in OJIBWE. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. Anyway, so there you go, folks. Today's OJIBWE language lesson brought to you by your friendly neighborhood OJIBWE Moan teacher. You want to take us out, sweetie? Oh, sure. Thanks. Oh, I think this is David and David. Swallowed by the cracks. I once was a dancer, I was young once like you, though I know I don't look it. I jumped high as the sky, had fire in my eyes, and legs like a stallion. And I had a girl and I loved her. My best friend was her brother. We were on top of the mountain that summer, thought we'd never be swallowed by the cracks, falling so far down, like the rest of those clowns begging bus fare back. Swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks, swallowed by the cracks. We've been swallowed by the cracks. Swallowed by the cracks. We talk all night about what we could do if we would just get started. I'd choreograph, Eileen she would act, and Stephen was the writer. But then Stevie ran away and got bored. Eileen took a job in a store, while I became this drunken old whore. And we'd been swallowed by the cracks, falling so far down, like the rest of those clowns begging bus fare back. Swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks, swallowed by the cracks. We've been swallowed by the cracks. Ooh, swallowed by the cracks. Oh, yeah. Oh, la 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 la. Ooh. Hey everybody, just want to say, miigwech gabis and dawi egg, thank you for listening. Dush, miigwech gonna wabi egg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am Natasha. This over here is NANABOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawaba man. Minawa. Hawa. That was great. You want to teleport me to the kitchen? The kitchen? You want to make me some coffee? Yeah, I'm gonna go make some coffee. I'm gonna make some black medicine water. Makare mash kiki wabu. You got it. One to teleport. Make it so, number one. See you next time.